Morning children. Now we are going to see the aggregation, a descriptive statistic data frame in Python. Now first is data aggregation. What is data aggregation? Now aggregation is the process of turning the values of a data set or a subset of it into one single value. Or data aggregation is a multi-valued function which require multiple values and return a single value as a result. There are number of aggregations possible like count, sum, min, max, median, quartile, etc. These count, sum, etc. are descriptive statistic and other related operations on data frame. Now let us make this clear. If we have a data frame like this, name, age, score, this is a column, and 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, I am inserting this data, name column, name, age column, age, and score column. Then a simple aggregation method is to calculate the summary of the score. The score is given and I want to sum this score, which is 87 plus 67 plus 89 plus 55 plus 47. We got the output is equals to 345. Or a different aggregation method would be to count the number of name, which is 5. Why it is 5? Because we know that in array it is given that 0, it is counting from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So the data is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 is given, total value is 5. So we got the name, which is 5. Now aggregated descriptive statistic data frame, it is by example, it is much clear. Program of data aggregation descriptive statistic. Import pandas as PD, import numpy as np, create a data dictionary of series. Now d is a variable which I am using to store the values of the column. D is equals to, inside curly bracket, name colon pd dot series, small bracket, square bracket, values, close both the bracket, comma, age colon pd dot series, and inside bracket age is insert some age, close both the bracket, comma, score colon pd dot series, open both the bracket, insert values and close both the bracket and curly bracket. Now create a data frame. df is variable, df is equals to pd is panda variable, pd dot data frame, inside bracket d, I am calling d. So print inside bracket data frame contents. Now print df. Now I am printing df. So I got the output that the data frame contains name, age, score. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 is the series, and name column name, age column age, and score column score. Now print bracket df dot count. Count means the value will be counted. Now how many values are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. So name is equals to 5, age is 5, score is 5. We got the output. Now print inside bracket count, inside inverted quote count age. I am counting age now, comma. df I am using because df variable I am using there to call d value I called and stored in df. So I am calling df now inside both the square bracket. First column is age. I am counting the age, both square bracket, close dot count. I am counting now age. Now print sum of the scores, comma, df, again square bracket, scores and dot sum. Now score column sum I am calling. Now print minimum age, comma, df, close both the bracket, inside open both the bracket and inside age and close both the bracket, dot min. Now minimum I am calling, and print maximum scores, comma, df, inside bracket, score dot max. Print mean age, df, age dot min. Print mode of age, df, age dot mode, small bracket and both the bracket you close, and print median of scores, df, inside both the bracket, score dot median. Now we got the output. Name is 5, age is 5, score is 5. D type int 64, count age 5. D type again int is 64 and age, because I am counting here age dot count, that's why I got the output age is 5. Now next is sum of the score. Sum of the score means we had add 87 plus 67, 89 plus 55 plus 47. We got the total. Now 345 is my total. Now next is minimum age is given. The minimum age, in age column the minimum is 24. We got the output 24. The same thing df score dot max. The max is how much value is 89 we got. Now df age mean. Now we are calling the mean. So we know how to take out the mean. So according to that we will take out the age column mean, and then age dot mode. We got the mode also 0, 25. Now last we are calling the median. Median we will take the value of the score 67.0. This is the float data. That's why we got float 64. This like this way we are going to use aggregative or descriptive statistic in our program. With the help of program, I want to clear how we will use in our program. Through coding wise we can take the minimum value, and we can take mean and max.